How to delete message for everyone in WhatsApp. By some error or mistake you send the wrong message to someone over the WhatsApp, you can easily erase sent message on WhatsApp using the latest feature of WhatsApp. That will help you to easily unsend the message that you don't want to send. So have a look at complete guide discussed in video. Remember that you can only delete messages for everyone for up to 7 minutes after sending. Once 7 minutes have passed, there is no way to delete messages for everyone. To delete messages for everyone, first open WhatsApp. Then go to chat containing the message you wish to delete. Tap and hold the message. Or tap more messages to delete multiple messages at once. Tap delete icon at the top of the screen. Delete for everyone. If you want to delete message for yourself, open the WhatsApp, then go to chat containing the message you wish to delete. Tap and hold the message. Or tap more messages to delete multiple messages at once. Tap delete at the top of the screen. Delete for me. Thanks for watching.